Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the topic that YouTube is a part of your learning or your education. So today in our day-to-day life, YouTube is becoming the part of our education and learning. Because of some reason, YouTube is a very popular video sharing website today, and we can make it as a part of our learning. Okay, so this is our discussions right now, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe this channel, and if you are already subscriber, then okay, watch this video till the end, and let's start our discussions. So today YouTube is becoming a very largest video sharing platform where different types of videos from different subjects are shared, and the main important features of YouTube for the learners or for the educators, whatever you can say, for the professionals, the main benefits of the YouTube that here all videos are free, more or less all videos. Some videos are paid videos, but almost every useful video, every types of useful videos are here free, and you don't need to pay any money for this type of video. You can see, you can take example of teaching video, or you can see example of training video. You don't need to pay any money for this type of video. So this is a very useful benefit that student can get or learner can get, that all the videos that are uploaded here in YouTube are more or less free videos. Some videos are paid videos, that are exceptions, but some useful content videos are uploaded here as a free video. Next important thing is that YouTube is available every time, every day, Sunday, Monday or Saturday, Sunday, Monday or Saturday, whatever the day is and whatever the time is, night at 2 a.m. or whatever the time it is, YouTube is available for you every time, and you can access these videos any time of the day, any time of the day. So this is a big advantage, and for this reason YouTube can be a part of your learning. Next are different contents are available in YouTube. A large number of contents are available in YouTube. You can find cooking videos to learning videos, educational videos, and training related videos, arts, history, geography related videos, politics, a wide range of videos that you love to watch or that you like to watch. These all contents are available in YouTube. So for this reason, the different contents that you like to watch, out of the different contents you can watch any contents from, because of searching here. A search option is available. You can search any type of video, any type of video you can write in the search box, and then you find that some videos are coming as the suggestions, and you can watch the videos from the suggestions that are given by YouTube. So for this reason, you can watch different types of contents that are available by simple searching in the search box. Next important thing, that presence of the good professional in each field. YouTube is the field where different types of professionals from different field are coming to make the videos, because of they trying to share their knowledge with you. So different kind of professionals from different field are available here to share their knowledge. So for this reason, and this type of professional just coming here because YouTube has no criteria of you need to becoming an experienced professional. Your experience, your means history is not important for YouTube, and for this reason each type of person that have some knowledge about the field, respective field, can come in YouTube and can teach you something. So, and that is the scope for every talented individual to share his or her knowledge with everybody. So YouTube give this scope to the individual, that he or she can share his knowledge or his expertise with the people, with all the people, so you can share his expertise or knowledge in a respective field. So for this reason, presence of the good professional, YouTube is a very good platform for making learning, for the part of your learning or education or training, whatever you can say. YouTube can be a part for the learning or education, whatever you can say. Next, uh, sharing your opinion. You can share your opinion in YouTube. In each video you can share in the comment sections, and you can also say that you want to watch this type of video, or you want to watch this video on this topic. You can write in the comment sections, and generally, if the channel content maker of the channel read this comment, then he or she can means creator can make a video like you like to watch. Okay, so from this way you can solve this problem, means you can share your opinion about the video. So an interactive education is possible with the YouTube platform. So this is very important, that interactive education means someone is giving you some knowledge, someone is sharing you some knowledge, and you are sharing some your problems with that teacher or with that professional. So that is called the interactive education. YouTube is a platform where you can get interactive educations. You can share your opinion, educator can share his or her opinion with the viewers. So for this reason, YouTube give us a platform where we can learn interactively. The interactive education is possible in the platform of YouTube, and easy to access. YouTube, just you need a smartphone or a laptop or desktop or any type of computer, or a mobile, and with internet connection, whatever it is, Wi-Fi connected or just mobile data connected. You need just an electronics gadget to access this channel. And in some smartphone, YouTube is so popular that it is already uploaded in smartphone. Okay, so it is easy to access. It have any has no difficulty to access this website, and some contents are standard and learn anything from that, and at any age. So YouTube, some content makers, that are making content in YouTube, they are sometimes they are making standard contents. They are actually some useful professionals or some highly qualified professionals are also coming in this platform to share their videos, to share their opinions. So for this reason, sometimes the contents that are found in YouTube are all standard contents. We cannot say all contents are standard, but some contents are very standard content, and from that videos you can learn so many things. So for this reason, you can use these contents. You can use this type of videos to learn more, to skill up your knowledge. These type of learning videos are very important for you. So this is the some points that I and at your any age. Another important point is, at your any age you can take this type of you can watch this type of videos that is required to you. So these are some useful benefits of the YouTube channel, that YouTube can give you for your learning support. So YouTube now become a learning support because of these following reasons that I trying to show you. And I think you understand this topic, and you are making the same view like me, that YouTube nowadays becoming a part of our learning, a part of our education, and part of our knowledge. So, and is a big platform, you can say it's a big video sharing platform, and no other such type of platform is present right now. And you can say this big platform give an interactive education for both the learner and the educator. So for this reason, you can say that YouTube is a very good platform for learning and for education purpose. So that's the discussions, and I think you understand these discussions. If you want to share any opinion about these discussions, then you can write in the comment section, and I would certainly read your comment and watch this video and enjoy. And if you find this video, something in this video is very useful to you, and I am giving you some good opinion, then this time you give a like to this video. And if you find that this channel is very useful to you, then you can subscribe this channel and hit the notification button in order to get the new video notification first. And thank you for watching this video.